Laitkam hikai Byllai bat kiwei bat kikam ro Byllai. Army Public School katarik haddo kadai arpo tarik bulan April ajar pusan nang ta Shillong Medical College kadai kartarik bulan basal ajar pusan in the Christian College kadai last year arpo tarik bulan basal ajar pusan. Ini ya pecua ki kam Byllai hapo Shillong Medical College dan baka Directorate of Health Services Meghalaya. Nah, terkaduk kadai ka tarik bulan April ajar pusan kipos pala di asistan profesor Shillong Medical College Shillong ke department anatomy arngot, physiology kawai, biochemistry kawai, pharmacology kawai, pathology kawai, microbiology kawai, forensic medicine kawai, community medicine R, general medicine R, pediatrics kawai, dermatology kawai, psychiatry kawai, general surgery R, orthopedics kawai, ornithology kawai, ophthalmology kawai, obstetrics, gynecology kawai, anesthesiology R, radio diagnosis kawai, dentistry kawai. Kini qualification experience apa tayang nih? Tarang ta ka appraisal sebab kadai kat kamu service rule hanta kipi para lances service candidates applying for post supplement kin yo ya kini ka khot kap pang ai ki badan apa service ta tini ada post di assistant professor provision non provision procedure of application and nomination strictly apply for work interview and panel public expert and due diligence. Kau mengikut selamat submit eligible criteria interview prescribed applications age and experience saya akan minta interview kita kena declaration kanan ka proforma ka form open up format form Tanang apa ya kam Byllai apa Army Public School Happy Byllai Shillong kay don kam TGT Mathematics anta Computer Lab Technician TGT Sanskrit Special Educator and Primary Teacher on ad hoc basis. The details work profile timings likely pay and like allowance application forms tak download na po ka website www.apshappybyllai.co.in nang forms along with DD RS250 should reach by 20 April 2025. Tanya pet sakika kambalai kami Byllai apo Union Christian College card application lam download application na po college website nang post assistant professor ha mathematics department sanction post candidates fulfilling UGC norms and to serve as a resident warden may have submit the application to the office of principal before 22nd April up to 4 p.m.